Hello, I'm Jeff Tennant. Trading is closed on the 7th of April 2015. My last call said there was a mejt target of 2071.53, most likely by tomorrow morning, and that remains the call. During the day, early on, mejt gave a buy signal and an ultimate buy signal. The target was hit as shown by the thick line and the white dot. There was resistance over the target. The system said there was a false move. When we dropped here, it said it was a false move, that prices would return and find resistance over this thick blue line, and that no move with staying power would begin till after this time. And so far, those have all worked. We came awfully close to this 2090.11 target from back on March 25th. We came within 0.30, but that's not close enough. That remains as a failed target. It should print at some time, but it doesn't have to print anytime soon. Well, it's never good when you make a series of new highs and can't hold on to any of them. It's not good when you make a series of new highs and close negative, and it really is not good when you make a series of new highs and can't even close over the initial high of yesterday's rally. This is one significant trend line I've been talking about. We made a second attempt to break over it, and each attempt was immediately rejected as we closed under that trend line. At some point, I believe, we will break through this TDST line here and hit these lower targets in the 1900s. This is another trend line I've shown a number of times. We've hit it quite a few times. We hit it again today, and this breakthrough could be very significant. That's a pretty big break. I don't use Elliott wave, but there is a count which says we have wave A, a revised wave B, with smaller wave A equal to smaller wave C, with this ABC showing a good Fibonacci relationship between waves A and C. So it's at least a plausible count, and if it's true, we could be in for a big purple wave C down. I'm looking for 2071.53 early tomorrow. There should be a market low around 10:20 Eastern Time, and how SPX responds just prior to and just after that low could let us know if we're going to attempt a recovery or not, because if we don't, we could be in for some very ugly moves on the downside, and that's today's call.